Yes, yeah, I'm very sorry, obviously. Sorry for my team. Because this is a big mistake in MotoGP. My people was the first one after the last corner, so I had not a lot of time to read all the information. So I just saw that I was pulling away from one team, but I had no time to see the last remaining. So I watched the towel and I made a mistake. I see L1, but I couldn't remember that the last lap hit L0 in the towel. So my fully mistake, and I'm really sorry for my team, and hopefully I can do this.
It's exactly the same situation that Julián Simón in 2009 with Salva Franco as the mechanic. He said something to you about the situation?
Not really. I didn't talk with nobody. I remember that race with Julito. I don't know if he had the same problem with the towel that me. Anyway, it's not towel's fault or nobody's fault. It's my fault and was Julito's fault because we had the information we need in the board. So I had no time to read it. It was fully my mistake, and I hope I will not repeat it.
And what did Quartararo say to you here, if it's possible?
No, he was very, very sorry. He said that there is a mistake that can happen, and yeah, just trying to give me some support. Today he was extremely fast, especially the first 4 or 5 laps of the race. So yeah, unfortunately I lose some points, 9 points to him. Hope I can recover.